Hi, I'm Scott Cooper, and I'm the writer and director of Out of the Furnace. I wanted to tell a story about a man, a good man, who was beset on all sides by a relentless fate, and through his indomitable spirit was able to overcome all of the hurdles that he was faced with and emerge stronger through the process. Trying not to make the script too autobiographical and too personal. As the grandson of a coal miner, as a young kid, seeing my grandfather come home from working those very difficult long hours. It's a very searingly realistic look at life in Western Pennsylvania, where men settle their own problems. Working with the actors was a thrill. Christian Bale and Casey Affleck play brothers. Woody Harrelson, Forrest Whitaker, Sam Shepard, Willem Dafoe, and Zoe Saldana make up the cast. And they're about as good as screen acting gets.